Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to run Postman tests on command line using Newman. Let's start by looking at the Tests tab. I have three test functions. The first one is asserting that the status code is 200. The second one is checking that the response time is less than 200 milliseconds. And the third one is doing response party assertions. If I click on the send button, you'll notice that all three tests are passing right now. To run these tests from command line, you first have to install Newman. Next, click on the three dots right next to your collection, then hit export. I'm going to export this collection to my desktop and then go back to the command line and type Newman run followed by the path to this collection. Hit enter to execute all our tests, and as you can see, everything passed. Watch what happens when I change the X forwarded port assertion to 70 from 80 and rerun the tests from command line. This time, one of our assertions failed as expected. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.